everyone, welcome back. uh, well, I'm back after a long time actually. You know how the lockdown period is going on, and a lot of stuff, both personal and professional plans, so too many things to handle. Anyways, so I thought like I have to connect with you guys back, and I have done some lockdown shopping. I shouldn't say some, lots. And I will be sharing up my videos on all those shopping hauls. Okay, the very first thing that which I am going to go ahead today is this brocade blouse haul, and you are hearing it right, that this is only for 100 rupees. So let's see how it is. So this blouse has got obviously the ready-made blouse, right? So it comes with the pads, and the stitching is very nice, and overall even the the combination of golden as well as this navy blue is just rocking. And this is how it looks like, and this is also been given with hooks. You can see very strong hooks and looms over here. And if I turn it the other side, it has got a broad neck. If you want, you can even put some patches also over here, but this is how it looks like, and some decent sleeves. So this was going on some discount. You know how the businesses are going on right now. So this I got it for only 100 rupees. So next is this yellow. Yes, I have taken all the bright colors, because what happens in these kind of fabrics is like if you go with brighter colors, it looks awesome. And on top of it, even if you pair these bright colors with any plain sarees or even on silk sarees, it goes really well. So that's the reason I opted for bright colors, because I'm a bright color favorite, and this is yellow, one of those. And this is a mustard yellow, and it also has got the golden combination flowers over here, and the same thing with the pads and the tassels, okay, and also the neck. This is somewhere, we call it as handi neck kind of thing, or maybe a deep U. So this is how it is. Again, I said you can put the patches, but these sleeves for this particular blouse are just like mega sleeves. If you're not very comfortable like me, I would rather prefer that I take out these sleeves, put the raw silk cloth in between, and these sleeves go in as a border for me. But otherwise, if you're comfortable, then you might as well just go. So another one is this aqua blue, or I should say turquoise blue, and see the tassels. It is with the same color fabric, and this is also one of my loveliest ones. I loved this choice, and you can see the golden combination of stems and flowers and whatnot. So otherwise, this particular fabric is also very smooth. It's quite nice. It doesn't look like this is for 100 bucks. So and the sleeves are also like just more than the mega sleeves, or maybe I should say the navy blue one, and these sleeves are pretty decent ones. But the back neck is always like a broader neck, a deep neck usually, because these are all like ready-made blouses, so you can expect most of them as the deep necks otherwise. And other thing is, like if you see the hooks and looms, this is also very nice. So thumbs up to these colors. And then we will go with one more bright color, green, and this is bit brighter side of the leafy green, and this is also with the same design. So you can see the hooks, steel hooks and looms, and decent sleeves. And if you just turn it back, this is again with the same neck. Okay, so this one. And next I have very interesting blouse. This is a multicolor blouse. I really liked because I was actually thinking to buy this kind of multicolor blouse or get it stitched basically. So even the cloth, the fabric is also quite nice, and it's smooth, and on top of it, it has got multiple colors boxes. So I think this would be very good pair for any of the plain sarees or any kind of such normal georgette or chiffon or raw silk sarees also. It goes well, but the only thing is the raw silk saree should not be quite heavy. It should be like a plain kind of one, then it looks good. And this also has come up with mega sleeves over here, and then this is the neck. So for any party or a function or an occasion, if you do not have any blouses, or if you're thinking of getting it stitched, why to waste even time on that? You can just quickly grab any of these. And please note that these are all of free sizes, and if you want, you can get it altered, because the inside cloth, this particular thing is given quite wide, so we can get it adjusted according to our sizes. But otherwise, most of the times it usually gets fit. So this is one more, the gray fabric, and even with the golden leaves combination, same tassels, everything, mega sleeves, and the same neck. So these are all the blouses which we got it for 100 rupees. So I have bought one more blouse which is not 100, but which it costed me around 300. So this is how it looks like. White one, silver white I would say, and with a silver combination embroidery. Okay, so it has got even this the lace border, and this is how it looks like, even the tassels also. And yeah, the same size of the sleeves, as well as the back side neck, but this neck is not as broad as the other necks. This is little little on the upper side, so this is not that deep I would say, but the look and feel of this blouse is like, I liked it. You can pair it up. This is a good party wear blouse. You can again mix and match with any of the sarees. It goes well. It really goes well. It will tone down the saree thing, and this gets highlighted. Or even if you want to pair it up with heavy sarees, it gives much more the grandeur look. But otherwise, these are all pretty good. So this is what is my collection so far on the blouse, ready-made blouse lockdown haul. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'll be showing up or coming up with lot of shopping hauls. Bye bye.